Well, for the longest time, if you want to generate an AI video using the video model and you want to achieve a vertical result, then you have to do it via Google Flow, because in this platform, you can easily choose the aspect ratio for the video. Now, in Gemini, there is no option to select the aspect ratio for the video. You can create a video, of course, but there is no menu or option to choose the aspect ratio. But that doesn't mean you cannot create a vertical video directly in Gemini AI. So let me show you how you can create an AI video using the video model via Gemini, but you can control the aspect ratio of the video, which in this case, we are going to be using the 9:16 or vertical aspect ratio. So basically, you can open Gemini on your phone or perhaps on your desktop computer. And after that, you can describe the scene or the video that you want to generate. And by the way, if you want to turn a picture into a video, I highly recommend to make sure that the photo is in the vertical orientation. If you upload a horizontal video and you want to create a vertical video, there is a good chance the video might still be horizontal. So make sure that your photo is fully vertical. Now, in your prompt, this is very important. You want to be more explicit that you want to generate a vertical video. So this is one example that I'm going to use. Create a 9:16 aspect ratio video. So make sure to include this information in your prompt. You can phrase it in a different way, but you have to mention at least this fair information so AI will know exactly the aspect ratio that you want. After that, click Tools and then enable Create Videos, and you can send the message. And by the way, this photo is vertical, so it's going to generate a vertical video. If you upload a horizontal photo, then it might be still creating a horizontal video. Anyway, this will take about 2 minutes, so just skip a word and I'll show you the result. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see, the video is definitely vertical. It is the 9:16 aspect ratio, which means you can actually use it on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or perhaps Instagram Reels, and you don't have to resize the video anymore. And if you like the result, you can click the download button right here, or you can also click the option right here and then click download. And by the way, if you're wondering about the aspect ratio, sorry, not the aspect ratio, the resolution of the video, it is actually not full HD, unfortunately. It is 720p, so it is not quite full HD, but I think it's still decent, and I think you're totally fine using this resolution on the internet. Anyway, that's how you can change the aspect ratio or create a video with 9:16 aspect ratio via Gemini AI. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.